Alright, so the OnePlus 10 Pro is the next flagship smartphone from OnePlus that will make its debut next month. The smartphone will come with a new camera design on the back that we've never seen on any OnePlus device. And now reliable tipster Digital Chat Station has revealed almost everything about the OnePlus 10 Pro. According to him, the device will come with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED LTPO display with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. It will feature a curved display and a hole punch cutout on the top left corner for a selfie camera. He also says that the device will come with a triple camera setup on the back, headlined by a 48-megapixel main camera along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Up front, there will be a 32-megapixel selfie snapper. The heart of the device will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. He further claims that the device will come with 50-watt wireless charging, while wired fast charging will be at 80 watt. It will come with ColorOS 12 based on Android 12. Also, this is our very first look at the OnePlus Nord 2 CE. This one is also getting a new camera design on the back, similar to the Oppo Reno 7 smartphone, with two large sensors and one small sensor along with the LED flash. On the front, it has a hole punch cutout on the top left corner. It has slightly thick bezels and will not come with a 3.5mm headphone jack as well as a micro SD card slot. It's expected to come with a 6.4-inch AMOLED panel with 90Hz refresh rate, Dimensity 900 SoC, a 4500 mAh battery with 65-watt fast charging support, 64-megapixel triple camera system, and Oxygen OS 12 based on Android 12. The device may launch in the first quarter of 2022. So yeah, what you guys think about this, do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.